Hi everyone, today let's see how to draw this beautiful girl with graphite pencils. I'm drawing the outline of the eyes with a B pencil and blending the surrounding areas with a brush. I'm using 4B mechanical pencil for drawing the eyelashes and eyebrow hair. I have shaded the surrounding area with a B pencil and blended with a smooth brush. With the kneaded eraser, I have given the light reflection in the eye. For the skin, I am using B pencil as the base layer. In this drawing, mostly I am using brush only for blending instead of tissue. I usually use tissue for blending, but I wanted to see how this goes. Slight amount of tissue I am using in places where I feel more blending is required. For the highlight on the tip of the nose, I have used kneaded eraser. From the tip, I have extended it slightly to the nose bridge. This will give more realistic look. For the lip, after base layer, I am using darker layers one by one. I am using a small brush for blending. Drawing the lip creases with mechanical pencil. Giving highlights with the mono eraser. Above the center of the upper lip and then in the lower lip near the creases. Before I finish the skin over the forehead. Now for the rest of the face, I am following the same method by adding layers by layers and blending with the brush. For final touch of blending, I use tissue paper. After drawing the border of the face and hair, I am shading the dark areas with the next grade pencil. The other side also I am drawing the borders. After brushing off, I am using kneaded eraser for giving highlights over the forehead, cheeks and chin. For sharper highlights, mono eraser or white gel pen can be used. Now the face is done. I am moving to the hand. For this also we will follow the same method as of skin. Adding layers and using brush for blending. Marking the fingers properly. And then after getting the required shade, we have to darken the areas of the shadows. After blending the dark areas, we have to highlight the lighter areas with the kneaded eraser. Just press the kneaded eraser onto the paper, or else with light pressure glide the kneaded eraser. For highlights near the edges, I have used mono eraser. Now I am drawing the rest of the body. Again starting with the B pencil and drawing the base layer, then moving on to the next grade 3B, 5B, 7B like that. For hair, I am using 9B pencil and drawing the base layer for it. Blending it well. While drawing hair, we need to draw the strokes of hair in the direction of the hair flow. After blending and adding several layers over it, you will realize the depth of the hair. I am using a mechanical pencil to draw the hair strands as it provides thin lines. Now you can see the look of the hair. To make the hair look more realistic, you need to draw the extra strands of the hair here and there. I am using a 12B pencil and darkening the areas of the hair which is having shadows. The shadows and the highlights only make the drawing more realistic. So we need to make the shadows look more darker and the highlights look more brighter. With mono eraser, I am drawing hair strands. These are for highlights. This also should be in the direction of the hair flow which we have drawn before with the mechanical pencil. At the ends I have made hair little wavy. And that's it, the drawing is done. I hope you liked my drawing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't.